Next method is called get, public function get, and we get the param equals null by default. Now we check if is an empty param and array key exists param inside of this params. If it exists, then return, and let's copy this line here, params, and obviously the index of this params array, which is the param. So that's our get method. Now a few new lines again. Scroll up, and the next one is public function href, which is basically going to create our link. We go for the main equals null by default, then params equals null as well. And now we check if is an empty main. This is obviously the required one. Then out equals array, and we put main already there. Then if is an empty params and is array params, because we have to have array, obviously value and key and value assigned to it. Then we go for each params as key equals value, and what we do is out, we add value to it, and then what we do after this, if is an empty, return, we start with a /, then implode our array with the /, then out, and at the end page extension constant. Obviously if it's blank, if you leave it blank, then obviously there will be no extension added to it at all, but we have this option in place in case you might change your mind at some point or so on. At the moment we have it .html, but you can remove it, you can have it any way you want. So that's our href method. The parameters which we'll be adding here will be simply array, this way let's say id, comma 20, then let's say case 1, and so on. So basically we're not going to be doing value pairs like this way, for instance id equals 20. We're just going to separate all of them by comma, just creating a standard array. Basically this will indicate the id equals 20, case equals 1, let's say, or something like this. So we can remove this. So that's our href method. One last method which is called getCurrent, which we're going to be working on in the next video.